Ariel Aquino Muhlach, born August 12, 1969, popularly known as Aga Muhlach, is a Filipino actor. Regarded as the king of romance drama and the Philippines' original heartthrob, he has received numerous local and international accolades throughout his career, including Star Awards, Maria Clara Awards, and Fama's Award. He debuted in entertainment using his real name Ariel Muhlach at age 7 when he appeared in the 1975 film May Ising Super NG Taxi and the 1976 film Babaeng Hiwalay Sa Asawa, but he only became well-known under his new screen name Aga Muhlach with the success of the 1984 film Bagets, after which he became a popular matinee idol. In October 2015, Muhlach confirmed his return to his original home network, ABS-CBN, after more than 3 years with TV5. He also unsuccessfully ran for a 2013 congressional seat in Camarines Sur. He is well known for his roles in films like Bakit Labis Kidding Mahal in 1992, Sa Aking Mga Kame in 1996, Nag-Ising Bituin and Ba Stat Kasama Kita in 1995, and Bayarang Puso in 1996 before becoming a romantic male lead in the late 1990s and 2000s, as well as in The Name of Love in 2011 and First Love in 2018. Aga Muhlach was born on August 1, 1969, at Galang Maternity Clinic in Santa Cruz, Manila to Alvaro Amador Muhlach and Anita Addis Aquino. He is one of 9 children, sisters Arlene, Almira, and Andrea, and brothers AJ, Andrew, Anton, Aaron, and Albert. He finished high school at Aquinas School in San Juan City and entered San Beda College to study commerce. He dropped out of school to focus on acting. Muhlach is from a prominent show business family. His father is the younger brother of former actress Amelia Fuentes. His cousin Nino Muhlach was the leading child actor of the 1970s. His brother AJ Muhlach was a member of the boy band XL8, and his 2 sisters, Almira and Arlene, are also actresses. Muhlach is considered one of the most bankable actors in the Philippine entertainment industry. He is also claimed as a multi-media product endorser, a role model to Filipinos of all ages, a supporter of underprivileged children, a matinee idol, and multi-award-winning actor. He is known for being one of the Philippine cinema's leading men of romantic dramas, being partnered up with well-known leading ladies such as Lee Salonga, Sharon Cuneta, Claudine Barato, Maricel Soriano, Angel Locsin, Regine Velasquez, Chris Aquino, Aiko Melendez, and Curtis, and recently B. Alonzo and Bela Padilla. From 1990 to 1999, he was the highest-paid actor in the Philippines, paired with Aiko Melendez in May Minamail, Krisak Wino, Rufa Gutierrez, G. Tonji, Mikey Kowanko Jaworski, Regine Velasquez, Lorna Tolentino, Carmina Villarol, Maricel Laxa, Don Zulueta, Beauty Queen Dayanara Torres, Lee Salonga, Alice Dixon, and Snooki Serna. In 1986, Muhlach, 17, had a child with Janice de Belen after the two were paired in the film Super Wanty You Try. De Belen announced her pregnancy on primetime television and said Muhlach had asked her to marry him, but that she refused as they were still young. Muhlach's father was also against the marriage because of their ages. De Belen gave birth to Luigi E.G. Boy Muhlach, Muhlach's first child. Muhlach has been linked to actresses Agathe Isidro, Melissa Fernandez, Gretchen Barreto, and Mikey Kowanko. In 1993, he was dating Aiko Melendez during the shooting of their movie May Minimal, but after their relationship ended, he was linked romantically with Puerto Rican former Miss Universe and 1995 film boss Stat Kasama Kita leading actress Dayanara Torres. The couple dated for 3 to 4 years. Muhlach married Charlene Gonzalez in May 2001. They started dating only after he asked for her parents' permission to get engaged to her. They met through Gonzalez's cousin and his former co-star J.C. Bonin when the latter was 16. They met again during the 1994 Binibining Pilipinas pageant, in which he was a judge, and she won as Binibing Pilipinas Universe. She was also his co-star in Okie Dokie Doc, where they became friends. They got married on May 28, 2001, in St. Joseph the Worker Parish in Pactal, Baguio, less than a year after their engagement. They have twins named Atasha and Andres. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.